If you have very long sister locks, I want you to tell me how you sleep at night. What is it that you do in order to sleep comfortably? Good morning. Good morning. I just wanted to come in today and say that I appreciate you, and I wanted you to see what I did to my hair last night, how I went to sleep. I just took that out before letting you see. But I'm going to turn around. I'm going to do a 360 so you can see how I went to bed last night. I came home last night after starting the Sisterlock establishment on my client. And I was a bit tired because establishing Sisterlocks can be taxing. If you have Sisterlocks, you know that it was even taxing on you just sitting there all those hours. And yes, so now I put my hair in 2-strand twists, and I think that was my way of winding down for the evening. I had the energy to do it. And so I will wear these today, and I will wear it a couple more days until I feel like taking them out. But it was easy to sleep last night because they were so comfortable. I've told you now that my hair has length, the challenge is sleeping comfortably in my Sisterlocks. If you have very long Sisterlocks, I want you to tell me how you sleep at night. What is it that you do in order to sleep comfortably? What do you do with your hair? Thank you for watching. I'll probably have one more section to this video. Have a great day. I failed to mention that while I was 2-strand twisting my locks last night, I used the Sisterlock setting lotion in order to get rid of some of the frizz in the top of my hair that was there in the previous session when I had my hair braided and banded. It was completely frizzy, and this has knocked out some of that frizz, most of it. I love it. I like this. I would even like a wider headband. is a sister who loves her locks. I love my friends, my family, my subscribers, and my followers. But I especially love God because He's so good to me. His mercies are what? Go ahead and say it. New every morning. Have a great day.